In today's video, I'll show you how shy creators can make animated characters talk and create engaging social media videos without showing their face in 2026. All you have to do is check my video description for this site link. Select continue with Google. Search type animate character. Select the animate characters. Character, select the character you like and you can increase or decrease the size using this character scale and adjust it. Background, select the background you want. Go to size aspect ratio. Select the social media you're going to post. I'm going with the YouTube. Lens scope resolution. Make sure you selected the correct resolution. And now you can record with a character dialogue or you can add using your audio file. I'm going with the audio file. To do this, I have a video. Check my video description for this video to MP3 converter. Select the choose file and select the video that you want to convert in audio and select open. Select convert option. Select the download option. After the download done, go back to the Adobe Express and select the browse option. Select the audio file be converted and select open. And you just need to wait for this to done. After this all done, you can play the video guys. Select this play icon. For this mod link, select the download option and wait for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, and now to download this video, select the download option. After download done, select the video and in this video, I'll show you how to enable modern widescreen resolutions in GTA Vice City for smoother gameplay on today's PCs. All you have to and that's how it works guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.